Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto College, where we give you objective analysis of cryptocurrencies and how to trade different pairs. Today, I will be guiding you on how to make money trading cryptos. There's money in trading cryptocurrency. There's real money, but please, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before you invest your money. I'm just teaching you what I am practicing, which I believe that if you follow me, you may benefit from it, especially if you're consistent and you have the money to do so. Now, cryptocurrency, as I've told you last time, is digital assets. And you can make millions of naira and millions of dollars from trading it. Before we continue with today's lecture, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm pleading with you, subscribe to my channel. As you're doing that, you're encouraging me. Not only that, hit the like button, turn on notification bell, share it to your friends. Let us go together, let us grow together, let us make money together. Today I'll be teaching you some things you have to consider before buying any coin, and I will be taking them one after the other. Last time I taught you about future trading and spot trading. I also showed you some coins that were so low when they were listed. Today, because I wouldn't want this video to be too long, I will be using one crypto pair to teach you how to analyze the coin to buy. But before then, let me show you some things that you should be aware of. As you want to trade crypto, check the gainers. As you can see it here, gainers. This is Binance, of course, and that's the leading cryptocurrency exchange. So check the gainers. Personally, I do not buy coin that is rising at the moment it is rising, because more than 60% of them will easily go down. So as you look at these menus, this one is favorites. Those ones I selected as my favorites. This button, this one is coins that are being traded mostly presently. That's why it's called hot coin. That's the one that are too hot now. Then the other menu is alpha. I will explain that later, but not on this video. This menu is new coins listed, whereas this is gainers. Apart from gainers, we still have losers. As you can see on my screen, this is losers. If you click it, the losers will appear. This is 24 hours volume. If you click it, you will see 24 hours volume of every coin. Those coins that are being traded mostly than others. While this one shows you the market capitalization of every coin. So we may not go through this because this one I'm telling you now, only two of them that I want to show you as part of my teaching, and those two are gainers and losers. Gainers and losers. Now, that is where you have to start in analyzing any project you want to trade. Let's click on gainers. As it is on Binance today, the coin that is gaining mostly is FF. You can see it, FF, followed by Alpine, followed by Super, followed by Kaito. So these are coins that are gaining. Of course, you know the market is down presently. That's why a good number of coins are not high in their gaining. This FF might be a newly listed coin. So it's not old coin that has been in trading all the while. It's purely a newly listed coin. So now, the point I'm making here, just for you to understand what you have to consider. So when you come to gainers and you see coins that are gaining, please don't just get into trading them. Don't just get into trading them. The reason is that more than 60 to 70%, about more than 70% of coins that are gaining at a particular moment can easily go down in the next 24 hours. So if you buy them at that particular point, you may lose your money. Even though on spot trading, because what I'm teaching you, spot trading, you will not lose all your money. Pay attention to this. If I buy any particular coin, the quantity of that coin you bought still remain in your wallet, but its value to dollar is what we mean when we say you will lose your money. You may buy in a coin, for instance, you buy this Lazio. You buy this Lazio, now it is $1.08. So, and it is rising. It's possible in the next 24 hours, it has dropped to 70 cents. And once it drops to 70 cents, if you bought maybe about 5 of them at $5, when it dropped to 70 cents, definitely what you will have will be $3.5. Now, that's what I mean by losing your money. Meanwhile, if you're patient enough, when it bounces back, you can still recover your money. So don't buy from list of gainers. You see, spot trading is buying and holding. Buying and holding. You know what it means to hold something. So this secret of those who are making money buying and holding is buying it when it is low. That is the secret. Now that leads us to the second aspect, which is the losers. These are the losers. And the one that is losing mostly presently is called Mirror. It's losing by 34.5%, followed by OG, losing by 27.08%, followed by AVNT, losing by 25%, and so on and so forth. So if you are to buy, start by buying from the losers. But pay attention, while buying, don't just carry all your money and put in one coin at a particular moment. That's my own strategy. I buy sparingly, especially those ones that are losing. I buy it, or I buy them, and maybe by tomorrow I will check. If it is still losing, I will top up. And maybe after 2 days or 3 days, if I still have the fund, if it is still losing, I will still top up. So that when it will bounce back, I will make more profits. That is how to trade it profitably. Now, I have shown you the gainers and the losers and how you can trade them with view of making profits. The next thing I want to show you that you also need to analyze before trading any cryptocurrency is the market capitalization. I will not be using the market capitalization on this menu to teach you. I will go straight to where the market capitalization is being analyzed based on a particular coin. And I want to use this coin, Solana, to teach you this. Solana, S-O-L. Presently, it is at $210. In fact, early this year, Solana went down to about $70. So if you bought it that time, you are 3 times richer today. Presently, it is $210. As you can see here, that's the price, $210. Now, we are talking about how to analyze the market capitalization. So, as you open a particular trading pair like this, I want you to check here for you to see how to go to where I will take you to. Can you see here? These 2 small bigger and smaller image are called candlestick. So you click on them. So even though my own presently is on graph, but because I'm not teaching you candlestick, you should not worry yourself. What I want to teach you is how to check the market capitalization. Then, as you have seen here, on this interface, we have price, which is due $210. Then we also have info. It is on that info that I'm taking you to. Now, watch out. I will click on info. As I click on info, everything about Solana will load. Please watch what I'm trying to teach you. Check the market capitalization before you buy. For Solana presently has $114 billion as market capitalization. Of course, you know what market capitalization is all about. It's just telling you the amount of money that a particular business entity has that they are using for their business. Here, cryptocurrency. Just imagine $114 billion. Any coin that has market capitalization from $1 billion up can hardly get into liquidation. Just bear that in mind. Anything can happen, though, but it can hardly. In fact, something like that happened about 4 months ago when Mantra dropped from about $5 billion to almost about $600 million. A sharp fall, very, very sharp. Something happened to it. So it's still in existence, but the point I'm making is that it is difficult for any coin that has from $1 billion up to disappear from the market, apart from those ones I call magic coins. The Solana is not part of that such coin. So that's the market capitalization. So you have to look at it before deciding whether to buy it or not. But apart from that, another thing that you have to consider is the all-time high. That is, how much has it attained? How much has it attained? What was the highest price it has reached? And when you look at this interface, you'll be able to see the all-time high here. Solana all-time high is $294, and presently it is $210. So, because of the all-time high, every expectation is that it will still pass this all-time high. So, if you have money to buy Solana, you can still buy. Listen to me, because some people are always confused. If it's $210, how can I buy it? I don't have such money. The good news is that you can buy for as low as $5 using this particular exchange, which is Binance. But if it is other exchanges like MEXC Global, you can buy for as low as $1 worth of Solana. Garbage in, garbage out. So you have to look at all-time high. Another thing you also need to consider is the all-time low. The all-time low. Of course, the all-time high, it attained it on 19th January 2025. That was when it attained it. You can see it under here. 19th January 2025. Now, the next one, as I said, is the all-time low, which I have shown you here, all-time low. The all-time low of Solana happened on 11th May 2020. That was when Solana was just 50 cents. Wow. It simply means that if you bought Solana then and you exercise patience till now, your 50 cents has turned to $210, giving you over 400 times your money. Just imagine that. That's why I told you there's money in cryptocurrency, but it requires resilience, patience, and the fund for trading it. So that's the all-time low. So when you compare the all-time low and the all-time high, and also consider how the coin has been moving, you will now decide, am I going to buy this coin or Should I not buy it? Remember, I have told you, number one, the gainers. Number two, the losers. Then number three, market capitalization. Number four, all-time high. Then number five, all-time low. Because I wouldn't want this video to be too long, I'll be rounding it off here. So in my next video, I will teach you how to do the buying. Prepare yourself and watch out for such video. Remember, there's money in trading cryptocurrency. I told you that Solana early this year or thereabout went down, or around March, went down to about $70. And today is $210, which is approximately 3 times your money. And analysts is still projecting Solana to hit $1,000, although they said before 2030. That is to say, if you buy it today and keep it at the side patience, it's possible by then you will see your money to be quadrupled. I wish you good luck. So here we are capping it up. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, please. I'm pleading with you. Share the video to your friends, and not only sharing it, hit on the notification bell, like it, and as you do that, you are helping me to promote my channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you.